Today we'll talk about how can you scan your device on your Meho map. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go here, go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, you just click on scan here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. And here can you scan your QR code, or here can you select your photo from your gallery here on your app. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I give it. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.